Hi, my name's Nate. I'm the assistant kitchen manager here at Wilson's. Wilson's started in 1906. It's gone through a lot of different owners since then. And mostly we're famous for our ice cream, usually around 40 flavors, I think. And sundaes, of course, our root beer, which we make here, and then our burgers and sandwiches, which we prepare back in the kitchen. First item that I'm gonna prepare are the cheese curds, and these have been on the menu since time immemorial. And as far as I remember, we've been using Reynolds cheese curds, which are right from Southern Door. We serve them with a side of peppercorn ranch, and we also serve them on a bed of fries, which gives it a little bit more volume. I don't know of any other cheese curds I've had at other restaurants that are as good as those. Next up is the whitefish, which is locally caught. It comes from Henriksen Fisheries, which is a local fishery. The funny thing about our whitefish is originally we were using Atlantic cod, and one weekend we ran out of our cod. We called them up and said, hey, we need something. They sent the whitefish, we prepared it, and it tasted light years better than the cod. Next up is our root beer. We get a root beer concentrate and combine it with sugar, carbonated water. What you end up then with is a much tastier, very fresh root beer. People really enjoy getting our root beer to go, but if you do drink it here, you can get it served in a big frosty mug, which is an experience unto itself. It keeps the root beer nice and cold on those hot summer days. Well, you can't have Wilson's without ice cream. Our soda fountain features around 40 different types of ice cream at any given time, as well as a number of different soft drinks and a number of various fruit toppings, the chief of which is the cherry topping from Sequist, which comes from Sister Bay.